Bath time, everybody.
Did you already rip the mat down?
I just love dogs. They just love unconditionally, and all they want from us is love.
Being a mascot handler, it is your entire life.
Well, he's never done this before. He's friendly. I thought it was a hug.
Wherever I go, they give me their love unconditionally. They help bring out the best in me.
By my agency saying that they want to do an American version of the British Office. And I remember thinking, like, who would be crazy enough to do this?
And one of my most vivid memories was the internal screening process. And coming out of most rooms was like,
This show has allowed us to touch people in ways that we didn't even imagine.
The more people who see it, the more people like it.
Protect yourself at all times. Punches right here and up are going to be good, Saunders. Punches right here and up are going to be good.
Hey, guys.
Why you gotta come looking like
Look
this?
at you,
man. Why you
I gotta,
you and your brother
I'm going
always,
to do sit-ups
man.
now.
Get out of here. What is that? Mike, you look good, man.
Yes, sir. I'm gonna do a quick hello.
Hey, how are you, man?
Good, you good?
You're looking good, huh?
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for coming.
Anything else? ¿Todo bien? Everyone happy? ¿Todo bien? God bless you all, yeah? Yep. Enjoy the fight. Enjoy the fight. Good luck.
Vehicles and police activity, in that a lot of the car groups get harassed by police officers. So, and then also I was about to do a round.
Welcome to all your marketing. Here we go, Kyle. Find that golden ticket, you guys. It's in there somewhere. I don't know where, but it's in there.
Elite gymnastics will keep you up at night. It's not really a normal childhood.
They might face harder competition at the Olympic trials in the US than they will at the actual Olympic Games.
They don't see the journey and the road and the level of sacrifice it takes to get there. And it takes a toll.
The older you get, I feel like I know my gymnastics better than ever.
I still have these high-level skills in my body.
I'll do whatever I can to get there, and so will you, and we'll see who comes out on top.
It's just a scary feeling when you only have one chance to be perfect.
It is the next great adventure. A sporting event for this generation. It is the launch of the Human Baton.
You know, you gotta pick the right decision. You gotta pick the decision that's gonna help you down the line, you know.
Good. He's got really good size. I think that's something that'll be into his benefit as he goes and plays on the next level. He's so strong in his lower body, and I think that he'll continue to get stronger. Let's go. There you go. Come on.
I'm focused on mainly just getting better every day. You know, every day you gotta think there's guys working harder than me, and I have to push myself every day to either work harder than them or keep getting myself up to their point. So
he's a self-motivated young man that wants to work hard, and as a dad, that's what I'm proudest of.
We'll go ahead and get into this agility. We're just gonna explode through the 40. Go.
Whether you're talking about footwork, accuracy, the weight of the football versus...
I'm Caden Martin, and I'm a dual threat.
What are you doing here anyway?
I don't know. This was a mistake.
Yeah, well, you should be used to it. Now I gotta find my keys. so you can leave.
Now let's just talk about everything, okay? This is your fault.
Marcia, Sophie, Marcia.
What does she have?
He was my mentor.
You protected him.
Don't you think I know what I did?
And material sourcing as close to Flint as possible. Our assembly team, marketing, design, everything's happening here locally at our facility in Flint.
Right? Work hard, mind your own business like she said, and get a good white-collar job. That's how your parents teach you.
My parents pretty much kept me insulated from the struggles that they had, and I think in their mind they thought they were protecting me. And we can accomplish so much more and tackle some of the other bigger problems in this world.
Calls a halt to the contest at the end of round 8. The winner by TKO victory, and now the unified super middleweight champion of the world, in Guadalajara, Jalisco, Mexico,